After 2 months of political uncertainty, Jammu and Kashmir appears to be heading towards resolution, with negotiations between BJP and PDP reaching the final round. Both parties held hectic deliberations to arrive at a mutually agreeable formula for government formation. The parties are understood to have reached a common minimum program and agreed on 12 key issues. In most likelihood, the process of government formation may get completed by next week. According to sources, PDP veteran Mufti Mohammad Saeed will be the chief minister. BJP and PDP have expressed hope that state will soon get a new government.
We want a permanent peace in Jammu and Kashmir and whatever it needs to be done. Dialogue, internal dialogue, external dialogue, and giving people the sense of justice which they have been denied quite often.
हाँ, बातचीत चल रही है, अनौपचारिक तौर पर तो चल रही है। जिस प्रकार के विषय हैं, जिस प्रकार की सिचुएशन, उसको देखते हुए समय भी थोड़ा बहुत लग रहा है, लेकिन हमें आशा है कि जल्दी कोई न कोई रास्ता निकलेगा।
The Congress is questioning the new-found bonhomie between BJP and PDP.
मुझे लगता है कि बीजेपी के पास कोई चॉइस नहीं है, क्योंकि जो दिल्ली में हुआ उसके बाद अब जम्मू कश्मीर में उनको पूरे जम्मू कश्मीर के लोगों को ये पता है कि अगर बीजेपी इस बार हुकूमत में ना आए तो शायद कभी और ना आए, क्योंकि इससे ज्यादा उनकी परफॉर्मेंस इंप्रूव नहीं हो सकती।
No party could secure majority in the assembly polls held last year, for which results were declared on 23rd December. PDP emerged as the single largest party with 28 seats, while BJP bagged 25 seats, becoming the second largest party in the 87-member House. National Conference won 15 seats, while Congress stood at fourth place with just 12 seats. Assembly polls held in the month of November and December last year registered record voter turnout. Despite separatist threats and worst ever floods in the state, voters turned up to polling booths in huge numbers. The new political alignment in the state will be keenly watched. PDP won most of its seats in Kashmir Valley and BJP gained all its seats from the Jammu region. If all goes well, it will be for the first time in the history of Jammu and Kashmir that BJP will gain power in the state in a coalition government. The development assumes significance for the party, not just at the state level, but also at the national level. DD News.